welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well. It's been a couple of weeks since I uploaded a video, and that's because I had some family issues to attend to. But now that that's out of the way, we can start getting focused on the channel again, so that's good news. So it's going to be a computer mainly for, streaming films or maybe play some games. But it's not a massive build. It's a pretty simple, and I don't have that much of space, so I'm going to have it beside the TV. So it has to be small, because otherwise my wife will kill me. So, enough rambling, let's go over the parts. So the heart and soul of this build is going to be the Ryzen 5 1600. It's actually the second time I'm buying one of these, and I'm really impressed of two reasons: the price and the performance. So this will work great. And the RAM is from HyperX. DDR4 2400 8 gigs, so that will probably be enough. And this is the graphics card. I haven't ever actually looked at it, the graphics card like this, but it will probably work fine. And the motherboard from Gigabyte AB350 Wi-Fi. I wanted this because it has Wi-Fi, because I don't have any cables to plug into the computer from the router. And the storage from Kingston, 240 gigs. This will work great, as always. SSDs are great. And for the power supply, who's going to power the whole system, is from EVGA, 500 watts, not modular. And that's why it's cheap, and that's why this is a budget build. But that's okay. And the next up is the case. I haven't actually built in any of these cases before, so this is going to be a challenge. So if I do some fails, please don't laugh, because it's not funny. No, I'm kidding. So that's the case, and that's the part, guys. I'm really excited to start building. You see how I'm hugging this, because I really want to start building right now. Alright, so thank you for watching. A lot of more videos coming up. As you can see behind me, my computer is gone. It's out of here. No, actually it's right there, but I have all the parts right behind me, because I'm doing a lot of upgrades. That's the next video. So I've been talking about this build for some times, but the next video is happening. So stay with me, and please subscribe to the channel, and please like the videos, and please give me a lot of comments. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.